everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Very tasty chicken drumstick with mushroom is so easy to make and it's super tasty. I will show you how to make it delicious chicken curry. And let's get started. The ingredients we need: chicken drumstick, 7 of these washed with cold water, 1 pound mushroom washed with cold water, then cut into thin slices, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic. As for gravy, 1 cup water. If you want to make it more running gravy, you can add more water. Spices from masala dabba and olive oil for tadka. Let's start making our delicious chicken drumstick with mushroom. Start gas and get karai. 2 teaspoon olive oil. Add cumin, half teaspoon. Cook for 10 seconds. Add ginger and garlic. Mix it. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it and keep it moving and keep cooking. Onion are nicely translucent. As you see, nicely brown. Add tomato. Mix it well. Bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. These are the spices I'm going to use: salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, half teaspoon each. Cooking tomatoes for 3 minutes. I'll open it. Mix it well. Add all the spices. Mix it well. Keep mixing, keep mashing the tomatoes. Tomatoes are nicely tender. Cooking spices along with tadka for half minute. Add chicken drumstick. Mix it well. Cook chicken drumstick along with tadka for 10 minutes on medium gas. Cooking chicken drumsticks for 10 minutes. Add mushroom. Mix it well. After mixing the mushroom, add water. All the tadka burned on the side will come out. As you see, it start to clean up right away. You've seen it before karai and now it's nicely clean. Now bring your gas to medium low. Cover with the lid. Stir it a couple times. So we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Exactly cooking for 15 minutes. I opened it twice and I stir it. Now I'm going to open it. Mix it. As you see, chicken drumsticks are fully cooked. And this is the perfect gravy. If you need a running gravy, you can add more water, but this is 1 cup is perfect. Now the last ingredient. Kasoori Methi. I'll add 1 teaspoon Kasoori Methi. Mix it one more time. Now bring your gas on a simmer. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to simmer it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes on simmer. Another 2 minutes on the simmer. I'll open it. Our dish is all ready. And I'm going to turn off the gas. Very delicious. And I'm going to dish out. Look at that chicken drumstick. And we have a mushroom along with it. Let me share with you. Delicious. Finger licking chicken drumstick with mushroom curry is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.